Hi guys, welcome to Football Brownie. Hope you're well, keeping safe, keeping each other safe and spreading the love during this pandemic because we all need a little bit of loving. But I tell you who is not spreading the love today. It's Cardiff City TV. I am sick to death with a constant streams of breakdown. I'm trying to be, I'm trying to be nice about this. Constant streams of breakdown. Okay, and if you pay for a month, now I'm on about not on about a continuous month, right? I'm not on about a continuous monthly subscription. I'm on about just paying for a month because sometimes you can look at a schedule. You could have work on the same day. You could, while the game is on or whatever. So I like to look at the schedule and you know think to myself, right, do I need to pay for just a game per game during that month, or can I save money by buying a monthly pass? Right? So I mainly do a monthly pass, to be honest here. However, if you do a monthly pass, there's two reasons why they won't stream. One is obviously if a game is called off. So if a game is called off, then the game will be rearranged for another month. So you've lost out on a game if you pay on a month. You've lost out on a game. Right? Another one is, well, if they agree with Sky to change the date when it is screened on Sky, they stop the stream on Cardiff City TV. But sometimes they don't inform you before you pay for the month. Now, I'm sick to death. In January, I've paid for a month, I think. I had 2 games. I watched 2 games. One of them, the stream was so bad. And, I'm sure I'm not the only one. In fact, I know I'm not the only one. Even when you do get a stream, some of the streams are so bad. So much buffering. It's an absolute joke. The idea is fantastic of streaming every game, great, no problem. But there's complete flaws in the project. Okay? Now I'm getting sick of this, hence the reason my video. Now, this month I paid for a month. I think it was, either 1st or 2nd, right, of April. Once I paid for the month, all of a sudden, Cardiff City TV blocked the game for some reason. It's actually on one of my previous videos because I was in here at the time. So I couldn't watch it. So I was relying on other people telling me exactly what was going on. So then, I thought, hang on, I paid 20 quid for this. And it was, I couldn't watch it, so I thought, okay, I've had enough. I tweeted Cardiff City TV. A week later, they then come back to me and say, oh, you got email this person. So I've emailed. Now, 12 days later, I've just opened up an email, and they're still asking me why I couldn't I watch a stream. I tell you why I couldn't watch the stream. It's because the streams are fucking shite. Okay? You take off the streams once people are paid for the streams because you've changed it you changed it with Sky. And another thing as well, when I do pay monthly and a game is postponed or a game is on Sky, you figure out, if you pay monthly, you should basically, let's round it off, on average it's 4 games a month, 1 a week. Okay, it could well be more because of midweek games, right? They even just say it's 4 Saturdays, right? If a game is called off, you miss one, that's arranged for another month, a month in which you may not be able to watch, right? And if a game is on Sky, you can't watch it. But yet, they don't give you credit for the games in which you missed. Can you see what I'm getting at? Can you see what I'm getting at? Can you see why I'm so pissed off with Cardiff City TV? So it's a message to Cardiff City TV. Get your act together. Give me the refund because I will no longer be a customer of yours. I would rather listen to it on the radio than watch a stream which may or may not be there, a stream or which you can't watch because of so much buffering, and a stream which is basically, on average, about 3 minutes behind. I've had enough of Cardiff City TV. Guys, please put messages in because, as I say, as I'm thinking of it more, sort out my refund because that's it with me, I'm a customer of Cardiff City TV. Okay? Now, dear Cardiff City TV, sort out my refund. Let's move on. Guys, if you have similar problems Cardiff City TV or the streams are buffering, put it in the comments because I'm sick of them. Absolutely sick of them.